Alright guys, look. There's a rocket, but you're not gonna be able to see it. It's like going up there. It's like going up like right here, I think. Like up there. Up there. Yeah, so like going up there. But you guys can't see it. You can see the smoke, but it's like all you can see. I don't think you can see the rocket, can you? No, you can't see the rocket, but the rocket launched. No, you can't see the rocket. Nah, you can't see the rocket. But look, you can see like the trail of smoke right there. Yeah, the rocket's long gone. Well, whatever. Alright, peace.